Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for April 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have like 5 to 7 beauty, skincare, hair care products. Typically more high-end stuff is what I found in this box. This is one of my favorite boxes to get. It typically has like really nice stuff in here, so I'm always excited to open this up. If you didn't know, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I will always let you know, and it'll be on the screen when I go to edit, as well as the sample size value, so I'll research all that, put it on the screen, so that way we can see whether we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, without further ado, let's just go ahead and open up the box. So when you open it up, it's going to look just like this. This little pamphlet right here will have the full-size values of everything included in the box, as well as why a particular editor at Allure chose the box, a little bit about each item in here, so I may be referring to this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is something that I know is not cruelty-free. This is from VIKTOR and ROLF. This is the Flowerbomb perfume. There's the packaging. I've gotten samples of this in other boxes. This seems a little bit bigger than normal. Oh, how cute. So there it is. So this is like a little, maybe considered travel size. I mean, it has a decent smell. Not something I'm typically drawn to. I'm not great at describing like floral notes and things like that, so I don't know exactly what the scent is, but let's see. Okay, so it has patchouli, which I don't like, so it's like a florally musky sort of scent. Yeah, so definitely not my sort of perfume, but this is like a cute little box, you know, like the little bottle is really cute too. So, yeah, something I'm not going to be using. The full size is valued at $115. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull out something I also know is not cruelty-free. This is AKAR. I don't know how you say that. What's that word? Let me know. This is from Dr. Jart, also not cruelty-free. Like I said, this is the Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. So it like neutralizes redness and stuff like that. I don't really deal with needing to color correct. I don't think. Maybe I need to, but I don't. So probably not something I would use anyway, but yeah, not cruelty-free. Let me get a full-size value. $52. So, I don't know, it seems like a lot to spend on color correcting, but I don't know. Does it work? Anybody else color correct with that kind of stuff? Let me know. Does it do anything for you? I'd love to know. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out the next thing. The next thing I see is from Allure by Jean Sao. This is a cruelty-free brand that I've received one time before, I think also in this box. This is a Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. That is a decent size. It's sort of like what you'd use. I wonder what's in it. Okay, so it has hyaluronate, so it's like a how do you say that word? Hyaluronic acid. I don't know, what's wrong with me? So yeah, that's definitely a lot, because serum like goes a really long way. So I'm curious if that's full size. The full size is valued at $15, so pretty affordable serum as well. They tend to be more pricey, so I definitely will give that a try. Let's see what it smells like. It does not smell great. It smells like a crayon or something. Not sure. Not my favorite scent, but I don't need it to smell nice as long as it doesn't smell bad. It's just a little bit weird, a little off-putting. Okay, let's move on to the next item. The next item is from Ava NYC, which is cruelty-free. This is the Main Magic Multi-Benefit 10-in-1 Primer. That's a lot of things. So, what are the 10 things? So I detangle, reduce frizz, strengthen, soften, cut drying time, add shine, nourish, smooth, and protect against thermal and UV damage. Use on damp hair prior to detangling or heat styling. It's leaking a little bit, so I guess I don't... Ooh! Good thing it was wrapped up. Ooh, it smells really nice. I don't know what that scent is, but it just smells like clean. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down because it's sort of leaking everywhere. Oh no. Let me show you the packaging in case you care about that. Pretty cute. Yeah, so there's that. Alright, and the full size is 12 bucks, so not too overpriced, honestly. I have a couple things from that brand and I really like them. They have good products, so excited to give that one a go. Okay, the next thing I have is from AKAR Skin, which we got just in another box from Allure. I had the lip thing right here that I've been using and actually really like. So let's see, this is a balanced toner. Let's see, I love toner. Toner is like my favorite thing. That's a nice sample, it's glass. Interesting, okay. So let me see, a balanced toner. So it's made with soothing floral waters and an oil wicking white willow bark extract. Okay, sorry, the editor was saying that she spritzes this onto her face, and I'm like, well, does it spritz? It doesn't. So let me see what it feels like. It does smell a little rosy, which, to be honest, is not my favorite scent. But it's not too bad, but I probably would not purchase this. And it feels gentle. I know I'm doing it on my hand where the skin is not as sensitive as on my face, but it does not feel like super, like it's gonna strip your skin down or anything. So, yeah, $55 for the full size. I'd be curious to see how it would work as a mist, because the actual packaging on here says toning mist and this just says toner. So I wonder if a mist would feel nice. I don't know. I guess I'll never know because it smells like roses. But valued at 55 bucks. So a little expensive for toner. Okay, let's pull this next thing. This I have tried before. This is from PURLISSE, which is cruelty free. This is the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. I've tried this exact one, I believe. It smells like watermelon, like it's kind of nice in the summer to have like that sort of like summery scent. I don't know how else to describe it. I've also tried a lotus mask from this brand. They make good skin stuff, so I like that. It is valued at $18 for a pack of 6, so $3 a piece. That took me entirely too long to do in my head. It looks like with this, you could have also gotten a matcha green tea mask, which I would have liked to try because I haven't tried that one, but not mad that I got the watermelon one, so yeah. Okay, we have one last thing. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is the, I can't read. There's the packaging while I figure out how to say this. Lip Filler Long Wearing Plumping Lip Liner. I couldn't figure out filler. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a swatch. Mine's in the shade Valencia, or Pomegranate. It says it has a built-in sharpener, so I'm curious about that. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the swatch thing. So it's very like magenta sort of colored. It feels nice and creamy as far as a lip liner goes. This little thing pops off into a sharpener, so I think that's really neat. Kind of cool in my opinion. Okay, let's get a full-size value on that. So 20 bucks. A little bit pricey for a lip liner. But not bad, not the worst. I don't know. Anyways, that's everything I got in this box. Overall, I thought it was a pretty good box. I liked everything, really. Except for the two things that are not cruelty-free, which was the perfume and this little color correcting cream. Everything else I will definitely try and use, so I'm excited about that. I'd love to know what you guys thought of this box. Bronx here, what do you think, sir? You say hi? No? No? You're busy today? Okay, I get it. Alright, but yeah, that's all we have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more adorable little dogs, whiny dogs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Bye, guys.